What if I told you there's a hidden force, an almost magical principle that separates the truly wealthy from everyone else? It's not luck, it's not a secret stock tip, and it's definitely not about working harder. It's something far more profound, something that once understood can transform your financial trajectory from a slow crawl to an unstoppable rocket ship. Stay with me, because by the end of this video you'll see exactly how to harness this power and why most people completely miss it. You've probably heard the term compound interest. Sounds boring, right? Like something your grandpa talks about. But what if I told you that compounding isn't just about interest rates? It's a universal law, a strategic advantage that applies to everything you do as an entrepreneur. Most people chase quick wins and instant gratification. They see a linear path to success. But the real game changers, the ones who build empires, understand something fundamentally different. They know that true wealth isn't built by adding, but by multiplying. Imagine two entrepreneurs. One works tirelessly chasing every new trend, constantly starting from scratch. The other, seemingly less frantic, makes small, consistent improvements, reinvests profits, and focuses on long-term growth. 5 years later, the first is burnt out, barely treading water. The second, they've built an empire, seemingly effortlessly. Why? Because they understood the unseen power of compounding. While others are scrambling for crumbs, they're building a machine that generates wealth on its own. Are you leaving massive wealth on the table simply because you haven't grasped this fundamental truth? Don't let this be the secret that holds you back. So how do you harness this power? It's simpler than you think, but it requires a shift in mindset. First, reinvest your wins. Every small success, every profit, every new skill acquired, don't just consume it. Reinvest it back into your business, your knowledge, and your network. Think of it like planting seeds. Each seed grows, produces more seeds, and soon you have a forest. Second, embrace consistent small improvements. Forget the grand gestures. It's the 1% improvement every single day that creates monumental shifts over time. Your marketing, your product, your personal development, tiny, consistent upgrades. Third, leverage your network. Relationships compound. A small favor for someone today can open doors you never imagined years down the line. Nurture those connections. Finally, think long-term. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is about building generational wealth and creating a legacy. The early stages are slow, almost imperceptible, but then the curve kicks in and growth becomes explosive. This is where most people give up right before the magic happens. Imagine a future where your efforts aren't just adding up, they're multiplying. Where your business grows not because you're working harder, but because the systems you've built are compounding on themselves. This isn't fantasy, it's reality for those who understand and apply this principle. You're no longer trading time for money, you're building assets, financial, intellectual, relational, that grow exponentially. The fear of missing opportunities gone, the anxiety of stagnant growth, replaced by unstoppable momentum. This isn't just about money. It's about freedom, impact, and building the life you truly desire. It's about becoming the architect of your own destiny. The choice is yours. Continue on the linear path or start harnessing the power of compounding today. Don't just watch your wealth grow, make it explode. If you found this valuable, hit that like button, subscribe for more entrepreneurial insights, and tell me in the comments, what's one area you're going to start compounding in today? Let's build something unstoppable together. Subscribe to Money Philosophy.